Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a sort of shadow 3D text on Canva. I'm just going to add a text and type in Taylor Swift. You can type in anything you want, of course, and I'm just going to select a font, maybe this one. It is up to you. Just going to position it. Actually, I'll do it later. And then I'm just going to choose a color for the text. I'm going to choose maybe like a dark blue, like so. Then I'm just going to duplicate it 2 times, and for these you can either choose a lighter color or a darker color. I'm just going to choose this orange for mine. And I'm just going to choose this one and then go to effects and choose hollow and choose 100. Then make sure both of these are behind the blue one. So I'm just going to select send to back. And I'm just going to put it behind the text like so. Pretty cool. And I'm just going to group that, and that's pretty much it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!